CCRM Nordic is the Centre for Commercialisation for Regenerative Medicine. So essentially the aim of the company is to focus on the translation of cell and gene therapies or advanced therapies and promote their integration into healthcare systems to improve patient access, because ultimately it's to serve the patients that are needy, so getting these therapies to them quicker is a key mission for us. Collaboration is key. We're part funded by the Swedish government. We have industry partners as well, but essentially the purpose of CCRM Nordic is to promote cell and gene therapy and the associated industry within Sweden and the Nordics. So collaboration is key to our existence, and obviously we're here to work with entities to realise that translation and that commercialisation. For example, ATMPs are advanced therapy medicinal products, and they fall into three categories. So this can be cell therapy, the use of human cells and tissues for therapeutic applications. Gene therapies, so that can be the modulation, the removal or introduction of genetic information, again to correct diseases and apply sometimes one-dose cures to disease. And the third is tissue engineering. So this really is a rebuild of tissue or structures in the human body to replace what has been lost or degenerated. We have a Vinnova-funded project with a company based in Gothenburg called Verigraft. So this is a tissue engineering company with a very exciting product. So we are working with them to develop new manufacturing processes as they look to scale up and commercialize that process. This particular region is very strong for life sciences and healthcare. So it's really important to be here, both in GoCo but also in Gothenburg as well. We have good connections with the local academic environment, Chalmers. We have strong connections to Sahlgrenska, the local hospital, and the academy. The infrastructure here is perfect for launching a venture and sustaining a venture such as CCRM Nordic. I think where Gothenburg is situated geographically, you are very close to other big Nordic hubs, obviously Stockholm, 3 hours away on the train, Copenhagen the same to the south, and then you have Oslo to the north. I think access to expertise and workforce. Gothenburg, again, there's a lot of activity in the life science space. There's some fantastic academic institutions here. And again, proximity to major metropolitan hubs, as well as being one itself, is key. There is a strong history of ATMPs, particularly in Sahlgrenska. Certain individuals there have been very prominent in the field for decades. The city has a history with this form of healthcare. And again, there's a drive to continue that. So there are a number of projects that we're also involved in, driven by the region to really promote workforce development, both in this field, ATMPs, but also wider clinical workforce development as well. So it's really a drive to build or continue to build the infrastructure in the region and the city.